Listen and repeat.
What do you like to do? What do you like to do?
I like reading books. I like reading books.
I like hiking in the mountains. I like hiking in the mountains.
I like playing video games. I like playing video games.
I like baking delicious treats. I like baking delicious treats.
I like painting and expressing my creativity. I like painting and expressing my creativity.
I like going to concerts and enjoying live music. I like going to concerts and enjoying live music.
I like solving puzzles and brain teasers. I like solving puzzles and brain teasers.
I like gardening and growing my own vegetables. I like gardening and growing my own vegetables.
What don't you like to do? What don't you like to do?
I don't like doing the dishes. I don't like doing the dishes.
I don't like waking up early in the morning. I don't like waking up early in the morning.
I don't like public speaking. I don't like public speaking.
I don't like waiting in long queues. I don't like waiting in long queues.
I don't like doing laundry. I don't like doing laundry.
I don't like eating spicy food. I don't like eating spicy food.
I don't like getting stuck in traffic jams. I don't like getting stuck in traffic jams.
What are you doing on Wednesday? What are you doing on Wednesday?
I'm meeting up with friends for a coffee. I'm meeting up with friends for a coffee.
What are you doing on Thursday? What are you doing on Thursday?
I'm attending a yoga class in the evening. I'm attending a yoga class in the evening.
What do you like to do on weekends? What do you like to do on weekends?
I like going for long walks in the park. I like going for long walks in the park.
I like watching movies and having a movie night at home. I like watching movies and having a movie night at home.
I like trying out new restaurants and cuisines. I like trying out new restaurants and cuisines.
I like spending time with my family and having quality bonding moments. I like spending time with my family and having quality bonding moments.
I like going to the beach, enjoying the sun and sea. I like going to the beach, enjoying the sun and sea.
Do you like to go shopping? Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes and accessories. Yes, I like shopping for clothes and accessories.
No, I don't enjoy shopping for groceries. No, I don't enjoy shopping for groceries.
What don't you like to do on holidays? What don't you like to do on holidays?
I don't like packing suitcases and getting ready for travel. I don't like packing suitcases and getting ready for travel.
I don't like dealing with crowded airports. I don't like dealing with crowded airports.
I don't like unpacking after a vacation. I don't like unpacking after a vacation.
What do you like to do? What do you like to do?
I like playing football. I like playing football.
I like swimming. I like swimming.
I like playing basketball. I like playing basketball.
I like drinking coffee. I like drinking coffee.
I like dancing. I like dancing.
I like to buy shoes. I like to buy shoes.
I like traveling. I like traveling.
I liked to chat. I liked to chat. What don't you like to do? What don't you like to do?
I don't like cleaning. I don't like cleaning.
I don't like working. I don't like working.
I don't like paying the bill. I don't like paying the bill.
I don't like cooking. I don't like cooking.
I don't like learning. I don't like learning.
I don't like watering the flowers. I don't like watering the flowers.
I don't like flying. I don't like flying.
I don't like talking on the telephone. I don't like talking on the telephone.
What are you doing on Monday? What are you doing on Monday?
I'm going to the cinema. I'm going to the cinema.
What are you doing on Tuesday? What are you doing on Tuesday?
I'm cleaning the flat. I'm cleaning the flat. Do you like to play football? Do you like to play football?
Yes, I like playing football. Yes, I like playing football.
No, I don't like playing football. No, I don't like playing football.